Hey, 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 seekers! We are Mat and Angie, a queer couple seeking to live life to the fullest. To do so, we have decided to visit our native country, Italy, in 10 months on our colorful van. We are currently in region number 2, Emilia-Romagna, and in the last vlog we have shown you the highs and lows of our vegan food tour in Bologna. Go check it out! Today we bring you to seek our last stop of Emilia-Romagna, Bologna! We are just parked and now we are going in the center of Bologna.
Yes! We have many things to see and we show them all to you. We are now in Via Chiella, which is famous to have a view on a little river that people like to call La Piccola Venezia, the Little Venice. It is actually really crowded. As you can see, there's a super long line to get to the little window where you can see the Piccola Venezia. Our advice is that it's not something that is so attractive or spectacular. You can just have the same view, just not in the squared window, from the other side of the river, and there's nobody there. So you can definitely take the same picture, something similar at least, and do not waste a lot of time. And we think there's a better Little Venezia in Italy that is in Livorno, which is actually the town I come from, and we are gonna show you in many months, but you'll see it, and it's definitely so worth it. We just stopped for lunch and we ate in a really cool restaurant. So if you're curious to see where we are gonna eat the whole day visiting the city, go check out the other vlog. We are near to Alma Mater, which is the oldest university in the world. So Bologna is also famous with that, and one of the nicknames of the Bologna city is Dotta, which means like clever in English, and is a nickname to refer to this university.
We are now in front of Torre degli Asinelli and Torre Garisenda. We decided not to climb the tower of Asinelli because we have already done it in the past. But if you have never done it, we recommend to climb the tower because there is a beautiful view of the city.
We are in front of the Basilica of San Stefano, which is mostly known as the complex of the seven churches. And it is definitely a must-see in Bologna. The church is so charming and it shows on its walls the scars of the time. And from this church you can definitely see how it has changed during the years. Indeed, it appears as a messy complex of different buildings melted together. We are about to enter in one of the most beautiful squares in Bologna, in Italy, and maybe in the world, which is Piazza Maggiore. Here you can admire so many things, and we'll show you them all.
Behind me, you can see Palazzo dei Banchi.
Basilica di San Petronio.
Palazzo del Podestà.
While we wait for the rain to stop so that we can continue our tour of Bologna, we are gonna rest a little bit here. And we are gonna watch the last video of Imon and Beck and the new video of Cara and Nate. They are our two favorites YouTube channel for travels. And behind me there's Libreria Nanni, which is the oldest library in Bologna. And now we are in front of the Basilica of San Petronio, which is really, really nice in the inside too. We are now approaching the Quadrilatero, which is a famous neighborhood in Bologna with many stands selling miscellaneous stuff. Seekers, we decided for this journey to buy a magnet of each region we were gonna visit, but the struggle is real. We found, luckily, the magnet for Liguria, but we cannot find the magnet for Emilia-Romagna. Everywhere we went, they do not have it, and now we are looking for it even in Bologna. And everything we find is just the magnet with said Bologna
Or Pisa, or Roma, or Verona, Venice,
which is crazy.
not Emilia-Romagna.
Which makes no sense to us, but whatever. So, I don't know. What do you advise us to buy if we don't find it? Drop it in the comments below and tell us what we should buy. We are gonna end the vlog of Bologna here. It's been a long day. Our feet are so sore. We saw a lot and we loved Bologna.
And I love you.
I love you too, baby. Oh, cheesy.